These are the many sneezes of Donald Duck. Now, first off, you have the normal, everyday, average sneeze, which is simply like this. Then you have the dreaded chain of sneezes, where you start sneezing and you can't stop. Donald Duck does it like this. But then, the dreaded, long, drawn-out sneeze of Donald Duck, where you sneeze, half sneeze and you can't, then you half sneeze and you can't, and then you have to sneeze and you can't, and then it all comes out at one time. That goes a little something like this. And those are the sneezes of Donald Duck.